Hey, today at Oneness Lore, we are talking about sunset clauses in off-the-plan contracts and purchases here in Queensland. Now, I'd like to remind you this is not legal advice. If you would like to engage us for legal advice, you're welcome to do so, or welcome to engage another legal practitioner. Now, what is a sunset clause? Well, it's usually a timeline for the developer to complete the land preparation or the building by. Excuse me. And if it's not ready by that date, then usually the buyer and sometimes, believe it or not, the developer can walk away from the contract. If the sunset date has arrived and settlement hasn't occurred, both parties may be able to walk away from the contract. It's supposed to be for the purpose of the buyer, but as we'll see soon, sometimes the developer uses it to their advantage. So the sunset timelines, these conditions, the due dates of that, they can vary a lot. The good thing to know is also that extensions can sometimes be requested. There can be conditions in the contract that actually allow for extensions of the sunset clauses and sunset conditions. And there's usually a procedure that probably needs to be followed, and there might even be a time frame of how long it can be extended for. And there can be misuse of such clauses and conditions because developers have used it in the past to exit out of contracts when the property prices rise, and then they can resell the property again at a much higher price. This is something to keep in mind as well with these off-the-plan contracts. Now, how can we help you? We can help you in a myriad of ways. One of the ways is that we can provide you with a detailed contract review before you execute it. Another way is we can also assist you with the negotiations of the contract conditions. Maybe the conditions are really onerous, maybe the conditions don't suit your needs. So we can engage in negotiations before you sign the contract, and hence why it's important for you to get a detailed review of the contract before you sign it. And then we can also assist you with the ongoing management of the conveyancing matter, because we can keep the timelines of these due dates there in our calendars, in the processes that we use as legal practitioners, and then we can remind you when things are coming up, when they're going to be due, or if for whatever reason you forget and you need to ask us, we'll have it there for you. And then again, at Oneness Lore, we provide you with personalized guidance because you are unique and you're not just like the next person or the previous person that we have dealt with and that we're engaging with. So finding out what's important to you, and we'll do what we can to meet you there. So if you're looking at an off-the-plan contract here in Queensland, let us know. You can contact us on our website, www.onennesslore.com.au. This is Oneness Lore is written with an L-O-R-E, law, instead of L-A-W. And our email address is info@onennesslore.com.au.